Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video we are going to solve this vector equation, which will be our second equation that we are going to solve. This vector equation says that in the figure below, O, A, B, C is a trapezium. So this one is the trapezium. AB is a parallel to OC. This AB is a parallel to OC as we see here. OC is 5 of AB. OC is the 5 of AB. D is a point on OC, as we can see here, such that OD to DC is the ratio of 3:2. A, given that OA is vector B. So OA is vector B and B and AB is vector Q. Expressed in terms of P and Q. Question 1, OB. 2, AG. And 3, CB. Let us solve that part first, then we are going to solve the second part. So, in the first part, let us say solution here. Then the first part says that let us find the value of OB. OB is what? Where's OB? OB is this line here. So how can we get that OB? OB is OA plus AB. So OB is OA plus AB here. Good. Then what's our OP? What's our OA? So our OA here is this vector P. So we have vector P here plus vector Q, because AB is vector Q. Okay, so we solved that part. So which was the first part here. Then second part is what? It says that let us get the value of AG. Let us express in terms of vector P and vector Q to get AG. So how can I get that AG? AG is that line from here to there. So AD is same as AO plus OD. So AD that we are going to find is AO plus OD. Very good, OD. So what's our AO? What's our AO? You have to know that OA is vector P. But if we say AO, we are opposing the direction of that vector P. So AO is negative vector P. Okay? So we have negative vector B here plus what's OD? OD, let us go back to our equation. They say that OD to DC is ratio of 3:2. So we have that ratio, which is 3:2. So our OD is 3 of the total ratio. 3 out of the total ratio, which is 5, times OC. Yes, times OC. So what's our OC? Let us go back to the equation. The equation says that our OC is 5 of AB. Our OC is 5 of AB. So here, negative vector B plus 3 of 5 times OC, which is 5 of AB. What's our AB here? Our AB is vector Q, okay? So our AP is vector q, okay, vector q. So that means this 5 will be cancelled with that 5. So we have here negative vector p plus 3 vector q. So that one also we finished. The third part of our equation says that let us express CP. CP, where's CP here? Our CP is that root, okay? CP. How can you get that CP? CP is same as CO plus OA plus AB, so that we can get BC, okay? I mean CP, okay? CP, exactly. So our CP is same as CO plus OA plus AB. Okay, you can see, I mean CB same as CO plus OA plus AB. Very good. So what's our CO? What's our CO? We know that OC is same as 5 of AP. Okay, so that means CO is what? CO is the opposite of the other one. We know that AP is 5, so it will be negative, I mean AP is Q, yes, AP is vector Q here. So that means OC is 5 of AP. AP is vector Q. So that means, how can we get CO? CO means the opposite. We are opposing the direction. That means it will be negative, okay? So we'll have negative 5 of vector Q, okay? Vector Q. Then plus OA. Our OA is vector P. Our OA is vector P here. Then plus AB. Our AB is vector Q. Very good. Vector Q. Good. So we have Q here as well as Q there, so that we can add them. Okay. So this one will be vector P minus 4Q. Why 4Q? Because negative 5Q plus 1Q is same as negative 4Q. Good. So we finished that other part. So let's go to the second part, which is B. This other part says that lines OB and AD intersect at point X, as we can see here, such that AX is equal to KAD and OX equal to ROB. Okay, so let us write that one down. X is KAD. So AX is KAD. Okay, small k A D. Okay, then the other part, which is OX is ROB. OX is ROB. Very good. Then we can express this AX, which is K to bracket AD. What's our AD here? Our AD is negative P plus 3Q. Our AD is negative P plus 3Q. Very good, as we can see here. Then what's OX? Let us express OX as well. It's R times what? OB. What's OB here? OB. We got OB in here, which is B vector P plus Q. Okay, vector P plus Q. So this one will be vector P plus Q. Very good. So let us express another AX by passing this OX so that we can solve the equation. If you have two unknowns, as we mentioned in the previous equations that we have done, as we have two unknowns, we cannot solve them, so that we have to convert either of the equation to be same as one equation, okay? So let us convert this OX to be our AX. So this AX, we can get the AX by passing OX. We must pass OX. So AX is, let's go back to our diagram here. AX is equal to AO plus OX by passing OX, yes. So we can get another root, but we can say AB plus BX, but our condition is we have to pass OX. So AO plus OX. So here is AO plus OX. So AX is equal to, what's our AO? In here, what's our AO? AO is negative vector P. So our AO is negative vector P plus OX. OX, we have it in here. It's R to bracket vector P plus vector Q. Good. So let's open that bracket, which is AX will give us negative vector P plus R vector P plus R vector Q. So this one's like term. So AX here is -1 plus R. We can vector out that vector P plus R into vector Q. Very good. So we can equate these two equations now, because AX here and that AX here are same. So that means AX equal to AX. So in our final answer is K into brackets negative vector P plus 3 vector Q, same as -1 plus R to bracket vector P plus R vector Q. Okay, so from here, let us open this bracket. It's K vector P plus 3K vector Q equal to -1 plus R, then vector P plus R vector Q. So that means we can equate them. You can say this vector P should go with that vector P. So we have -K vector P should equal to -1 plus R into bracket vector P. The other side should be this Q, vector Q should go with that vector Q. So we have 3K here, vector Q should equal to that R vector Q. So this vector P, we've got that vector P. So we have -K equal to -1 plus R. And here we cancel that vector Q with that vector Q. We have 3K equal to R. So what's our R here? Our R is 3K. So that means we can say K equal to -1 plus, instead of R, let us put this value, is 3K. So let us take that one to that side and this one to the other side. So this one is negative. If other side, it will be positive. Then equal to, this one will be positive. It will be 4K. So divided by 4 here, divided by 4 here. That means our K is 1/4. Good. So what about R? R is same as 3 into bracket the value of K, which is 1/4, equal to R. So this one times that one will be 3/4 equal to R. That means the value of R is this, the value of K is this one.